Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Bitcoin exchanges with Kraken, complete guide step by step clearly. To optimize Bitcoin exchanges with Kraken, start by creating an account on the Kraken platform. Visit the Kraken website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your email address, choose a secure password, and accept the terms of service. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log in to your new Kraken account. Complete the verification process to increase your trading limits. Provide your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and address. Submit identification documents, such as a government-issued ID and proof of address. Once your account is verified, navigate to the funding section to deposit Bitcoin. Choose your desired funding method, whether it's a bank transfer or a cryptocurrency deposit. If using a bank transfer, follow the instructions for adding your bank account. If depositing Bitcoin, copy the wallet address provided by Kraken. Send Bitcoin from your external wallet to the copied address. Monitor the deposit process until your funds are credited to your account. With Bitcoin in your account, explore the trading interface. Select trade and choose the Bitcoin pair you wish to trade, such as BTC/USD. Review the order types available, including market and limit orders. Select the appropriate order type based on your trading strategy. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy or sell. Confirm the order details and execute the trade. Keep track of your portfolio through the balances section. Consider setting stop-loss orders to manage your risk effectively. Utilize Kraken's charting tools to analyze market trends. Stay informed about market news that may impact Bitcoin prices. Regularly review your trading strategy to adapt to market conditions. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively optimize your experience with Bitcoin exchanges using Kraken. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.